Are we rolling? Oh, it's boiling. So interesting and captivating. Okay, I gotta like do a couple prep jumps before I really jump in. Hello, my name is Emily from the food blog Feelin Whisky, and today I'm going to show you how to make a vegan chocolate cashew White Russian. If you're not familiar with White Russians, they are a very delicious cocktail popularized by the movie The Big Lebowski, in which the dude drinks White Russians at the bowling alley. So today we're making a vegan version because I can't drink dairy. It will make me very sad, but if you can drink dairy, then you can always sub in something like half and half. So if you like this video and you like delicious cocktails, be sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a single one. But without further ado, let's get drinking. It's 12:50 p.m. A little bit later than last time, but that's okay. So for this, you are going to need only a few things. I am using a simple rocks glass, a jigger with which to measure your ingredients, some vodka of your choice. Every recipe you'll find online says to buy high quality vodka, but that's a little rich for my blood, so if you can't afford high quality vodka, then VODKA is fine. And some KAHLUA, and a non-dairy milk of your choice. I found that cashew milk works the best. You can use almond milk, but it's a little bit watery, but that's like your call, man. I can't control your life. But today I'm using cashew milk, and then just to put a little bit of a different spin on it, we are using some chocolate syrup. I'm using this one because it only has 5 ingredients. Admittedly, the first 2 are sugar and organic invert syrup, but that's fine. Simple cocktail. Let me show you how to make it. In our rocks glass, we're going to add some of the chocolate syrup, artfully drizzled around the outside edge, like so. So it drips all down the sides. Wow, look at that. I'm using an ice sphere. If you don't have these, you can use regular old ice cubes. That'll work just fine. Nice. But I like these because they look really cute and they're huge and they don't dilute your drink really fast. So that is the advantage that an ice sphere will actually give you, aside from just aesthetics. So I'm gonna do 1 part vodka because it is 1 p.m. and I have things to do today. But if you're really feeling whiskey, wow, threw that one in there. If you're really feeling whiskey or frisky, you can do 2 parts vodka. But I'm not, so. And 1 part KAHLUA, which is an extremely tasty coffee liqueur that is going to be an excellent addition to your home bar because you can slip it into your coffee and no one will know. Drink responsibly. This is literally all we do. We have the vodka and the KAHLUA, and then I'm going to take this absolutely precious, tiny little creamer thing and pour over my cashew milk, like so. And look at that! A super delicious and super beautiful vegan White Russian that you can share with all your friends. Well, no, make them different ones. Don't share this one drink. Cheers.
Oh, what's this? This a White Russian?
Sure is.
Oh my goodness, I love White Russian. This is great.
Cheers.
Cheers. I like it.
Is it chocolatey and delicious?
Tastes like vegan.
Tastes like vegan.